The Amazon Gold Rush millions await. Imagine being part of a thriving marketplace where opportunities are endless. Want to make millions? You can. With the right strategy and dedication, the sky's the limit. It's happening right now on Amazon. Every day, new sellers are joining and finding success. People are striking it rich every day. From small startups to established businesses, everyone has a chance. Selling products online is the new gold rush, and you're invited. Whether you have a unique product or a popular item, there's a place for you. You don't need a fancy store. Your home can be your headquarters. No need to talk to customers face to face. Amazon handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business. Amazon gives you access to millions of shoppers. Your products can reach a global audience with just a few clicks. Ready to build your own business empire? Let's go. Start by researching your market and understanding your customers. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires planning, patience, and persistence. It takes hard work, hustle, and smart decisions. Late nights and early mornings will be part of your journey, but the potential is massive. Imagine seeing your sales grow and your business thrive. Are you ready to put in the work? Every task completed brings you one step closer to your goals. Let's turn your dreams into reality. Join the millions who have found success on Amazon and start your journey today. It's where the shoppers are. Amazon is the go-to destination for millions of shoppers around the world. Think of a busy shopping mall bustling with activity and excitement. Now multiply that by 1,000. That's Amazon. It's a colossal marketplace that never sleeps. Millions of people shop on Amazon every single day, searching for products that meet their needs and desires. They're looking for products just like yours. Amazon makes selling easy by providing a seamless platform for sellers. They handle payments and deliveries, ensuring that your customers receive their orders promptly and securely. You focus on finding amazing products and getting them in front of eager buyers. It's a win-win situation. With Amazon's tools and resources, you can manage your inventory, track your sales, and grow your business effortlessly. Forget about building your own website or struggling to get noticed. The competition is fierce, and standing out can be challenging. Amazon already has a massive audience, ready and waiting to discover your products. This built-in customer base is one of the biggest advantages of selling on Amazon. Your job is to tap into that potential and build your brand. Utilize Amazon's advertising tools to reach even more customers and increase your visibility. Ready to meet your customers? They're waiting. With Amazon, you have the opportunity to connect with millions of shoppers and turn them into loyal customers. Start your journey today and watch your business thrive. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? That's a great starting point for finding your niche. A niche is a specific category of products. Use tools like Amazon's bestseller rank to see what's hot. Look for products with high demand and low competition. That's where the real opportunity lies. Don't be afraid to explore different options. Use your creativity and think outside the box. The perfect niche is out there waiting for you. Let's find it. You've found your niche. Now it's time to find amazing products. Quality is crucial. Your reputation depends on it. Source from reputable suppliers. Don't be afraid to ask for samples. Inspect your products carefully before shipping them to Amazon. Any defects will lead to returns and unhappy customers. Remember, happy customers are repeat customers. Consider creating your own unique products. This gives you a competitive edge. Think about what problems your customers have. Can you create a product that solves those problems? Section 5. Crafting killer listings. Grab attention. Your product listing is your storefront on Amazon. It needs to grab attention. Use high-quality images that showcase your product from different angles. Write a compelling product title that includes relevant keywords. Highlight the benefits of your product in the bullet points and product description. Use persuasive language that entices customers to buy. Make sure your listing is clear, concise, and easy to understand. A great listing can make all the difference. Section 6. Amazon FBA, your secret weapon. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a game changer. Here's how it works. You send your products to Amazon's warehouses. They handle storage, packing, and shipping. FBA also provides customer service and returns. This frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Plus, FBA products are eligible for Prime shipping. Prime members love fast, free shipping. This gives you a huge advantage over competitors who don't use FBA. It's a no-brainer. Section 7 Marketing Magic: Get Seen, Get Sales. Getting your products in front of the right customers is key. Amazon offers powerful advertising tools. Use sponsored product ads to target specific keywords. Run promotions and offer discounts to attract new customers. Leverage social media to drive traffic to your Amazon listings. Get creative with your marketing. Engage with your customers through product reviews and questions. Positive reviews build trust and credibility. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Section 8. Scaling up from side hustle to empire. Congratulations, your Amazon business is thriving. Now it's time to scale up. Analyze your sales data to identify your best-selling products. Increase your inventory to meet the growing demand. Consider expanding to other Amazon marketplaces worldwide. The sky's the limit. Build a team of virtual assistants to help with tasks like customer service and order fulfillment. This allows you to focus on strategic decisions and growth initiatives. Section 9. Reinvesting profits: the growth engine. As your profits grow, resist the urge to spend it all. Reinvest a significant portion back into your business. This is how you fuel exponential growth. Explore new product ideas and expand your product line. Invest in advanced marketing strategies to reach a wider audience. Never stop innovating and improving. Remember, building a successful business takes time and dedication. Stay focused on your goals and don't be afraid to adapt to changing market conditions. Section 10. Your Amazon adventure starts now. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the beginning of an exciting journey that could change your life forever. There's never been a better time to start selling on Amazon. The opportunity is massive. With millions of potential customers browsing every day, your products have the chance to reach a global audience. Millions of customers are waiting to discover your products. Take action today. Imagine your products being shipped to homes all around the world, bringing joy and satisfaction to countless people. Don't let fear hold you back. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and they all faced challenges along the way. It's how you overcome these obstacles that defines your journey. Start small, learn as you go, and never give up on your dreams. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Educate yourself, stay informed, and adapt to the ever-changing e-commerce landscape. The world of e-commerce awaits. It's a dynamic and exciting space where innovation and creativity thrive. Your unique products and ideas have the potential to make a significant impact. Remember, you have the power to achieve incredible things. Success doesn't come overnight, but with persistence and hard work, you can reach new heights. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and watch your Amazon business soar to new heights. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Your Amazon adventure starts now, and the possibilities are endless.